Pregnancy Self-test. The kit includes a midstream test and instructions for use. Not included but required is a timer. We advise using your first morning pee as HCG levels will be at their most concentrated and easily detected. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Remove the cap from the test stick and with the absorbent tip pointing downward, place it directly in your urine stream until it is saturated. Take care to avoid any urine touching the test window. Replace the cap back onto the test stick and place the test on a clean, even surface with the results window facing upward. Start the timer and read the result after 3 minutes. Do not read the results after 10 minutes. You should contact your GP if your result is positive. If results are negative and your period is late, test again in a few days. However, if you continue to miss your period and produce negative results, you should contact your GP.